Okay, in this video I will explain how to quick start with Ionic 4. So let's start. So what you can do right now, so basically we need a node package before installing the Ionic. So I had been already installed in my system Ionic, so but I will explain how to install in Ionic and how to use Ionic and how to start project in Ionic. So let's continue. So first you need a command npm i@ionic /cli, right, and -g we can set as a global. We will copy this command and open your terminal. So I will type here the command prompt. If you have a node, you can check node is present or not. Simply type your node, so it's give you a response if node is present, otherwise throw an error, right? So if you have a not node, so we can simply go to the node.js.org. so node.js.org, here you can go and download and simply click and install, right? So let's move to the Ionic. So I will check I had been already present Ionic, so we can simply type Ionic. You can see there is a Ionic 4.112 is already present here. So what you can do right now, I will explain how to install this Ionic. So simply you can type npm i@ionic /cli-g, right? We can also download the latest version of the Ionic CLI. If you want to download the latest version of the Ionic CLI, what you can write here, we can simply write npm i@ionic /cli@latest. This command you can use, and -g, this command is you can use for the latest Ionic package to be installed from the node package manager. So I think that Ionic is installed successfully. You can see added 2 to 9 packages. So right now you can move to the how to start the Ionic project. Simply you can type Ionic. First you can go to the your project directory. So just assume that I am going to the local disk E, and in my workspace here I will make a new folder, and that's a folder name, new folder, and in this folder name so in this folder we can open your terminal. So how you can open your terminal, simply type here cmd in the header of the this folder location. You can see there is the some command prompt is open, so its location is just where is project. So to restart, so I will type here the Ionic start. So it gives an option on which framework we want to use. So basically here is a two framework is appeared. Framework is Angular and React. So if you want to use React, you can also use React, and if you want to Angular, so you can also use Angular. So basically I will explain here the Angular case. So I will select here Angular. I will type here the project name Ionic Task Quick Start, right? So here is the again after hit enter, after giving the project name Ionic Task Quick Start, so hit the enter, then we give a option here. So here is the option is a tab, side menu, blank, and list, and my first tab. So there is the template we can use for the generate your project. So let's assume that currently I am selecting tab 1, right? In case of tab 1, and hit enter after selecting, so it would be demanding to integrate the your new app capacitor and iOS and Android. So if you are there is two things here. So guys, here we need two things we must be know. So there is one thing is the capacitor, and there capacitor plugins we can see in this docs is also maintained by the Ionic team also. So we can also use second one is the Cordova. So Cordova plugin, so we can check on the Google if you want to more in depth. So but currently I am using Cordova because Cordova have lots of the communities which had been improved it, and capacitor is also working very fine. But I will explain on the in this video on the basis of the Cordova. So I will select here and okay. So okay, after project created, so we can go to the your project directory. So we can see here is already present the automatically generated the Ionic code, which so I will run it again. So you can check the dir directory. Here it's the present Ionic quick start, right? So we can simply cd Ionic quick start, and we can go to open on the your code editor, such as I am opening on the VS Code. So simply code space and dot, so it will open your VS Code here. We have seen the, and if you want to view your terminal in this VS Code, simply you can click on the view and add terminal. After that adding terminal, we can simply here type Ionic serve, right? We can Ionic serve. Okay, you have seen your Ionic projects had been successfully deployed on the localhost 8100 port, right? It's I will explain on the next video how to use Ionic and use Ionic modules, and gives the detail about how to make your project on the in Ionic, as well as how to deploy your projects in Ionic. I will make a series for the all of these things, so we can continue on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. I think that you can know about how to set up the Ionic project in the Windows. In case if you want to set up these things on the Linux operating system, there is no difficulties. So before going to set up your Ionic in a Linux operating system, or in case of the Ubuntu, so we can simply make sure about the installation of the node. After installation of node, we can install Ionic. Okay, so I think that you can check on the description link. I had been given a link how to install the node. After installation of the node, we can simply type this command to install the Ionic. Okay, thanks for watching again.